Welcome to all of you guys. I'm your Jadwar sir. This is English Foundation channel, and today we are going to learn some concept of how to write a notice in the board examination, just according to the pattern of CBSE. Actually, we are discuss about the notice, how to write a notice in the board examination according to the pattern of CBSE. CBSE में बोर्ड एग्जाम में नोटिस कैसे लिखे जाते हैं, उसका फॉर्मेट क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल फॉर्मेट ऑफ द नोटिस. Clear the things? That things we are going to discuss about these things today. So topic is that how to write a notice, and this is the format. So format is that we are going to start from the one format. Format is that we have to mention the name of institution. It means what shall we have to do first things? First things we will have to do the mention the name of institution. The name of institution already given in the question. So we will have to check the questions. Then we will have to mention the name of institution. Clear the things? Then what shall we have to do second thing? Second thing, after mentioning the name of institution, then we shall have to do mention the notice in the capital letter. Notice in the capital letter. We have to mention the notice in the capital letter, NOTICE, just like this. You have to mention there. Clear the things? And after mentioning the name of institution, you have to leave one line. Then you have to mention the notice. Clear the things? After this, you have to mention the date. What is the date? That day you are writing a letter. Sorry, notice. That day you are writing a notice. That day you have to mention in the. Clear the things? And before writing a notice, you have to write a notice in the box. Clear the things? Then after mentioning the notice, you have to leave one more line. Then you have to mention the date. And suppose that today is 10 May 2026. Just like this you have to mention. CBSE guidelines, according to the CBSE guidelines, you have to mention just like this the date. Clear the things? If you write just like this date 0406 2026, then you won't get any marks from the CBSE. Clear the things? It means this is not the clear pattern of the writing of the date in the board examination. So that's why you will have to write just like this, then you will get 1 marks in the date. Clear the things? So this is correct way to write notice in the box. And second thing, after mentioning the date, you have to mention the clear heading. Heading is also given in the questions. It means we have to first find out the question or read out the question, then try to understand the sense of the questions. Then we will find out the exact heading or title. Suppose that our heading is that drawing competition. So there will be drawing competition. That's why I have to mention here drawing competition. Clear the things? Then what shall I have to do? Then exact format. It means body of the language or body of the notice. Body of the notice. And at least 4 sentences or 3 sentences you will have to make sentences. Then write your problems, your suggestion, whatever you want. Write. Okay, you want to write. Clear the things? It means this is for a body of notice. Suppose that you are writing how to invite all the students to participate in the notice or drawing competition. That things will have to mention in 3 to 4 sentences. Clear the things? So this is body of the notice. After completing this, you have to mention or end up with your name. And after mentioning your name, so check your name in the question first, and whatever the name given in the question, that names you have to mention in the notice. Clear the things? अगर आपका नाम नहीं दिया है तो आप अपना नाम भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं, नेवर माइंड. क्लियर द थिंग्स? बट फर्स्ट थिंग्स, आपको जो क्वेश्चन में वहाँ पर नाम दिया रहता है वही नाम हमें यहाँ पर मेंशन करना रहता है. ओके? आफ्टर मेंशनिंग योर नेम, यू हैव टू जस्ट मेंशन द designation. What is your designation? Designation is already given in the questions. ये भी ऑलरेडी आपको दिया जाता है क्वेश्चन में. सपोज दैट यहाँ पर मैं हेडिंग ड्राइंग कंपटीशन पर नोटिस लिख रहा हूँ, तो वहाँ पर मेरे को कोई इंचार्ज बना दिया जाएगा कि आप क्लास कैप्टन हो, आप अपने क्लास के 9 to 12 स्टूडेंट को आप इनवाइट करो, ठीक है, किसमें क्या करने के लिए, पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, ठीक है, इस ड्राइंग कंपटीशन में. ओके, सो जस्ट यू हैव टू मेंशन दिस ऑल थिंग्स, देन you can complete your notice and submit your notice. Then you will get total 5 marks. Okay, if you write just like this format, then you will get 5 marks in notice. It is according to the CBSE pattern. Clear the things. And first things, I am reminding you once again. So this is the things, and you have to just mention the name of institution. First things, where we get institution name. So it is, then you will get in the questions. Check out the question and read out the question and try to understand the strengths of the question. Then you will get the actual name of the institution. Then what is notice? Notice you have to mention the capital letter. Just after leaving one line, you have to mention NOTICE in the capital letter, and then you have to leave one more line. Then you have to mention date, and date. How will you mention the date? Just like this, you have to mention the date. It means you have to write the name of month also, full name of month. Here, just like this, you don't have to write, because you won't get any marks from the CBSE guidelines. Clear? If you write just like this, then you will not get any marks. Then you have to leave one more line. Then you have to mention the title in the center of the box. Clear? Then body of the notice. Body of the notice, 3 to 4 sentences. Then how to end? So you have to end with your name. That name already given in the questions. Check out the questions. Then your designation. Designation is already given in the questions. Clear? Designation is also given in the question. So check out the question and properly you have to read the question. Then you will get all the things. Clear? Now you will be able to write a notice now in according to the pattern of CBSE. So have a nice day. Thank you. So this is the format of the notice. How to write a format. How to write a. Now you can see this. This is the actual notice, and we have written the notice on drawing competition. Clear? Suppose क्वेश्चन दिया गया है कि ड्राइंग कंपटीशन होना है, इसीलिए 9 to 10 and 10 के स्टूडेंट को आप पार्टिसिपेट के लिए, इस कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए आप उन सभी को इनवाइट करो, है ना. मैं क्या हूँ, मैं यहाँ पर, मेरे को यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि आप कल्चरल कैप्टन हो, और कल्चरल कैप्टन होने के नाते आपको सभी स्टूडेंट्स को 9 और 10 के स्टूडेंट को आपको इनवाइट करना है, ताकि वे सभी आए और अपना नाम देंगे, इस कंपटीशन पर शामिल देंगे, ठीक है, ताकि कंपटीशन आगे जारी हो. देन just like this, as I told you, so name of institution, you have to mention the name of institution. Suppose that here is already given GLD Public School, and actually it is in GLD Public School, that's why I have mentioned here GLD Public School. Clear the things. Then you have to leave one line. Then you have to mention notice in the capital letter, NOTICE. Clear? NOTICE. And before writing, you have to make a box. Clear? Because we have to write a notice in the box. Clear? Put it in a box. Then you have to mention the date. Suppose that 4 June, it is 4 June today, that's why I have mentioned the date of today, 4 June 2026. Then what is the title or heading? So title or heading is already given in the question. So given in the question that things, drawing competition, there will be drawing competition held on, that's why I have taken drawing competition. This is the title, and then this is the body of the notice. What is the body of the notice? In the body of the notice, you have to mention 3 to 4 lines in your own way, or suggestion, problem, whatever the things, how you invite. Suppose that all students of classes 9 and 10 are informed that a drawing competition will be held on 10 June 2026. कहने का सेंस ये है कि सभी स्टूडेंट्स को 9 और 10 के सभी स्टूडेंट्स को इन्फॉर्म किया जाता है कि ड्राइंग कंपटीशन 10 जून को होने वाला है. कहाँ पर? स्कूल में. कितने बजे? 10 बजे, सुबह 10 बजे इसीलिए इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट्स में गिव देयर नेम्स। तो इंटरेस्टेड स्टूडेंट्स अपना अपना नाम देंगे टू द अंडरसाइंड बाय 10 जून 2026। ये कब तक नाम देंगे? 6 जून तक नाम देंगे, क्योंकि 10 जून को आपका कंपटीशन है। क्लियर? यस, 10 जून को आपका कंपटीशन, 10 जून को आपका कंपटीशन है, इसलिए आपको 6 जून को अपना नाम दे देना है। क्यों? क्योंकि आगे की तैयारी भी करनी होती है, इसलिए नोटिस का मतलब क्या होता है? नोटिस का मतलब यही होता है कि आप जो है नोटिस किसी को भेजते हो तो पहले से उसको अवगत करा देते हो कि इस दिन हमारे यहाँ प्रोग्राम है, उससे पहले हम उस किसी बंदे को नोटिस भेज देते हैं ताकि वो हमारे यहाँ उस डेट में पहुँच सके। क्लियर? आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस ऑल यू हैव टू मेंशन योर names. Suppose that Raj Jadwar, it's my name, and cultural caption. Suppose that my post or designation is already given in the question, that is cultural caption. These all things you have to mention, then you can write the notice. Clear the things? Have a nice day.